Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the system overload problem you might be having in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you cannot even open it up, it's going to work the same for you. But if you have often opened up the application normally, now let's say you want to open up any of the options that you have right here, such as audio recorder, and once you open it up, either you start recording or you go into the edit menu to manage your tracks, or whatever you might do. If you're getting the system overload problem, there is only one thing you can do. So basically guys, the problem is going to be within the iPhone itself, because all the Apple releases of this application are always stable, so the problem is never within the application itself. There are a couple of solutions you can try. The first one is to update to the latest version on your iPhone, because sometimes the version of the iPhone and iOS that you are using is not compatible with the newest version of the application. So what you can do is try to update your phone. If it's still not working, go to the App Store and try to update the application. If there are no updates available and your iOS is up to the latest version, the only thing that you can do is go ahead and send an email to Apple, contact Apple and tell them what your problem is, that you're getting the system overload problem and that you are doing everything you can to solve it, but it's not working. Usually the problem should be fixed just by restarting your application on your iPhone, so exit out and open it up again after clearing from the cache. But if it's not working, go ahead and contact them and they will give you the steps one by one what you have to do. But yeah guys, basically that is the only option that you can do. There is nothing else you can try except exiting the application, opening it up and contacting Apple. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.